Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start with one of their little reindeer signs. It's like an MDF board sign. I'm going to go ahead and pop the antlers off. It's easier said than done with this like MDF material. I kind of had to break them off, which was not ideal, but it's still going to work. I want to be able to cover those, reposition them. I really just want them to be like separate pieces. So it's kind of like almost a cardboard material. I just go ahead and try to clean that up, but I decided just to use the back. It would be a little bit easier. And then I can reattach the antlers up here once I get them covered. Now, I really wanted this to be a burlap reindeer. I think that would be so cute. So I'm going to use some Dollar Tree burlap, and we're going to cover the face of the reindeer with the burlap. I'm just going to cut a piece down here, bigger than I need, and then just kind of sketch out on the burlap with a marker so I can cut that down to size. Now, it is not too easy to work with this when it's rolling up like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use my little Cricut Easy Press, give it a quick iron. Most of the rolled burlaps from the Dollar Tree, I find that I do need to iron so that I can work with it a little bit better. And I also don't want the burlap to fray. So this is a little trick you can do to make your burlap not fray. I am just using a small paintbrush and I'm going all around where I'm going to be cutting it and just sealing it with some Mod Podge. I dry that real quick, and then when I cut it, it won't fray. Another option you can use is those little faux burlap bags from the Dollar Tree. They don't fray either. They have like a plastic backing on them. I use those a lot. They don't look quite as good as this real burlap though, so this is definitely a way that you can make it not fray. So that looks really good. We're also going to be using Mod Podge to attach it to the reindeer. And I get those little bottles of Mod Podge at Dollar Tree too. I love those because you don't have to worry about them drying out. They're nice small bottles, really easy to work with. So that looks really good. I have that on there. I kind of use a paper towel to make sure that it is all attached. Now it's time to cover the reindeer antlers. I'm using the Dollar Tree faux leather. I love this stuff, and for some reason the past couple months this has been on sale at my stores for only 50 cents instead of $1.25. So be sure to stock up on it. It is fantastic. I just used the reindeer antlers to sketch out on the back of the faux leather the size of them, and then just simply going to cut them out. This Dollar Tree faux leather cuts so wonderfully. Like, they have brown, ivory, black, and navy, I believe. But I thought the brown leather would be perfect for a reindeer. So just kind of carefully going around and trimming those out, and we can cover the antlers with this as well. It's a different color of, brown than the burlap, but I kind of like the variety. And this little guy just turned out so adorable. I really love him. I'm just attaching it to each one of the antlers with some more Mod Podge, making sure it is lined up perfectly. And then I also cut a hole where the little hanger hole was in them through the burlap, so I'll be able to hang this little guy. I'm going to reattach the antlers like this, like flat. I kind of like them better like that anyway. I just flip it over, and I'm just going to use popsicle sticks to make little braces here. That'll be something thin and strong that I can put here on the back. And they're easy enough to cut down with just a pair of scissors. I just use hot glue to reattach the antlers. And he's already looking really cute. Now, I want him to be Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, so I am going to make him have a red nose. I'm just using one of those little circle puzzle pieces just for a circle to cut down some red felt, and I'm just using, I think, the Dollar Tree Santa chair cover. Great source of red felt for Christmas crafting. I am attaching that with some Mod Podge as well. I may have used a little too much, but I was able to get it dry. And then I'm also going to be cutting down some more of this faux leather to make his eyes. Now, if you do like a smiling or a sleepy eye, it's so easy because you just have to cut down a little like C shape. So I went ahead and drew those out, cutting those down to size. And then you don't have to worry about like the eyeball or anything like that. And it gives the reindeer a really cute expression like this. I'm going to use a little tacky glue for this one. It works a little bit better when you're doing like a fabric on fabric. And I don't want to melt the faux leather at all. He's looking so good. I'm going to go ahead and make a hanger here by using some twine, just kind of feeding that in from the back where there was already holes drilled to make a hanger. And we're also going to decorate him a little bit more for Christmas to make him super special. I really love reindeer crafts. I just did another one, a new one, in a recent video where I make a reindeer without the actual reindeer sign. It was really cute too. I thought that this ornament that I got from the Dollar Tree would look really cute up here with his antlers. It's another kind of brownish material. It's got all this like Christmas decor on there already too. So I'm just going to attach that to a reindeer with some hot glue. And then I thought he needs some jingle bells for his antlers. These are the jingle bells from the Dollar Tree that are already like on a string like this. They're like gold and silver. And I'm just going to simply wrap those around his antlers. Like his antlers just got all tangled up in jingle bells. I think that's really cute. I'm going to attach this one right here in the center just to kind of keep it in place. The rest of it, just kind of tying it around, works pretty well. But I went ahead and did a dot of hot glue just to make sure everything stays in place. With the rest of those decorative bells, I'm just going to wrap around here the other side. And just a fun way to decorate his antlers and make him extra special. He was already really cute with the burlap and the leather, but I think these last few Christmas decor pieces really made him pop. Now I thought one more jingle bell right here, and this guy's going to be ready to go. Here he is, our little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer for Christmas. I love him.